My name's Peter, and I've been a plumbing and heating engineer for 41 years. The water pressure has a great effect on how many appliances you can use at the same time. Someone using the shower and then someone would turn on another tap, which reduces flow in the shower. It's not a very nice experience when it goes from hot to cold. And the MicroBOOST is a small compact unit that fits in the space of a washing machine and has push-fit connections, and it keeps up with demands. It is a small unit which does produce a noticeable difference. Now, the installation was quite straightforward. Standard pipe sizes. I didn't need any extra tools other than the standard plumber's toolkit, and the actual installation took about an hour. It's all within reach, and the instruction manual is clear and will take you step by step in the commissioning procedure. The push-fit connections, I think this has been designed so that nothing can be accidentally come loose or disconnected and cause damage on flood. The experience with the MicroBOOST, the noise is nothing more than a washing machine. Other booster sets we've installed, they're much more noisy, but the MicroBOOST has been designed to fit in a home where noise has been considered, and you wouldn't really notice any difference from the noise of a washing machine. The unit comes with all the necessary fittings that you just connect to. Simple pipework connections in and out and overflow, all standard sizes, which is very straightforward. I would recommend the MicroBOOST because of the size and appearance. It's ideal for a small home. It's not a big unit, but it will improve your flow rate in the house, and noise levels are kept to a minimum, which is what we're looking for.